Metro report information whiskey time 2157 Zulu, wind calm, visibility 20, few clouds at 5,000, 12,000, scattered, temperature 13, dew point 0, altimeter 3033, visual approach and use landing and departing runway 3030 left, notice airman. Alpha 3, Romeo 3 and Echo closed, taxiway Alpha closed between Romeo 4 and Romeo 2. Personnel and equipment working near runways and taxiways. Runway 12 left Pappy's out of service. Runway 308 rails out of service. Hazardous weather information available for parts of Colorado. Contact flight service for more information. Advise on initial contact you have information whiskey.
Metro Ground Cherokee 7055 Romeo with whiskey at the self-serve fuel request taxi to the active for VFR North.
Cherokee 7055 Romeo. Metro Ground, runway 308, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 3. Join at Romeo 4, and then rejoin at Romeo 2.
Okay, 30 right via Alpha, cross runway 3, and we'll go off at Romeo 4, and then we'll rejoin at Romeo 2, Cherokee 55 Romeo.
Thank you.
Metro Tower, Cherokee 7055 Romeo, holding short 30 right, VFR northbound.
7055 Romeo, Metro, stand by for landing traffic. November 55 Romeo, north through runway 308, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 30 right, northbound approved, Cherokee 55 Romeo. Hey, get our landing lights on, fuel pumps on. Clear on final. Okay, good fuel flow. Engine's in the green. Airspeed's alive. going to make a square pattern kind of over here and just kind of keep going up. And then we'll see if it feels bumpy or not, or we'll see what we can see if we want to just kind of go over or around or anything. If not, we'll just kind of muddle around up here and see what we see. Okay, we're going to make our turn to the south and continue to climb a little bit. We're at 10,000 feet. Right, I do have to be careful of Denver's airspace because we'll be coming up on it kind of quick. I'm actually going to do a 180 because I want to stay away from Longmont there. There's actually somebody 100 feet below us right over here. There they are.
What? Yeah. Loop them back this way.
They are?
Yeah. And now they're coming below us, but back this way. They're behind us, sort of, past up behind us.
Alright, we're going to fly over towards the mountains a little bit. Kind of towards Estes Park. Those two in front of us are called twin sisters.
The boobies?
Yep.
Look, I got a picture of, it's a torso and a girl's butt and her legs, and it looks like she's got on a bikini on the bottom.
Oh yeah,
you see that?
See. Estes down there.
Yep.
Well, at least the city of it. You want me to go down through that valley or out north?
No, I want to get closer to all this foggy mountain stuff, I think.
Alright, you ready to go back?
Yep.
Metro Airport information X-ray 2245 Zulu. Wind 020 at 4. Weather better than 5,005. Temperature 13. Dew point 0. Altimeter 3032. Visual approaches are in use. Landing and departing runway 30 right, runway 30 left. Notice to airmen. Taxiway Alpha closed between Romeo 4 and Romeo 2. Taxiway Alpha 3, Romeo 3, and Echo are closed. Taxiway hotel safety area is not standard. Temporary flying restrictions in effect over Gross Reservoir. For further information, contact flight service. Radio altimeter unreliable. Runway 30 right, rail out of service. As this weather information for Colorado and surrounding states is available on the flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact. You have information X-ray.
We got the X-rays. Metro Tower, Cherokee 7055 Romeo's 15 miles to the north with X-ray. Inbound, full stop.
7055 Romeo Max Tower, on a right downwind, runway 30 right.
Enter the right downwind for 30 right, Cherokee 55 Romeo. Okie dokie. Just gonna continue flying the heading we're flying then.
55 Romeo, follow Cessna on right base, runway 30 right, clear to land.
Okay, we'll follow the traffic on right base. We're cleared to land 30 right, Cherokee 55 Romeo. Landing lights on, pumps on. Okay.
546 number Delta, Metro Tower, Roger.
Ooh, we rolled that one on there.
55 Romeo, turn right at Alpha 4, contact on point 7.
Right on Alpha 4, over to ground point 7. Thanks for your help. Have a good night, 55 Romeo. Metro ground, Cherokee 7055 Romeo's clear of 30 right on Alpha 4, going back to Western Air.
7055 Romeo Metro ground, taxi to parking via Alpha Romeo 5.
Alpha Romeo 5 to parking. Thank you. Have a good night, 55 Romeo. All right, well, we did it. That was nice. Up to 11,500 feet. That was pretty easy to get over there.
I got amazing pictures.
Yep, baby steps to get us to Grand Lake.
Yep, we're getting there.
Next summer, for sure.
Then I'll have more awesome pictures.
Very true. Alrighty, let's get the landing lights off. That's off. Radio's off.